Good morning students. We are back with our English subject and it's time for poem today. Let's see which poem we are having in our book. Yes, it's your bird talk. Hope you will like this bird talk poem. It's very interesting children, and are you ready with your book children, and page number 42. So here we go with our poem. It's an interesting poem. It's a bird talk and the name of the poet is Eileen Fisher. Let's see what's there in this box. One day a robin and a jay talk about people. They find people funny. So let's see how they find people funny by reading this poem and understanding it better. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So it's a very small and sweet and short poem for us, and it's very easy to understand what's going on. There are two characters in our poem children. It's your robin and your jay. Children, they are the two birds sitting in the garden and they are talking to each other, and robin is saying just सोच के देखो, jay भी बोल रहे हैं कि तुम भी सोच के देखो. Now who is this robin? Robin is an European small bird which is brown in color, and jay is your crow family. It's come from a crow family, and you can just assume it is very dark in black. The color of jay is very dark black. Okay, let's see further explanation. So they are talking to each other sitting in a garden. One day, think about people. तो किसके बारे में ज़्यादा वो बात कर रहे हैं? लोगों के बारे में. They are talking about the people around who are walking in the garden. The way they grow, वो उनके बारे में बता रहे हैं कि वो कैसे grow हो रहे हैं. कैसे? They don't have feathers. उनके body पे feathers ही नहीं है, क्योंकि birds के तो feathers होते हैं, तो वो अपने आप से ही compare करेंगे ना. They are comparing people with them, that they don't have feathers like them at all. बिल्कुल भी feathers नहीं है. They don't eat beetles, और उन लोग खाने में जो birds खाते हैं, beetle means the small black insects, they don't eat that also. Then they don't grow wings. उनको उड़ने के लिए उनके पास पंख भी नहीं है, उनके wings भी नहीं है. Then they don't like sitting, और उनको पसंद भी नहीं है कहाँ बैठना, जहाँ पर ये हमारे दो बर्ड्स बैठते हैं, और भी सारे बर्ड्स जो बैठते हैं कहाँ पर बैठते हैं, आपने भी देखा होगा बर्ड्स कहाँ कहाँ बैठते हैं. ऑन वायर्स, पोएम में वायर्स यूज़ किया है. एंड थिंग्स, जो ऊंचाई पे होती हैं चीज़ें, जैसे कि ब्रांच ऑफ ट्रीज. Then you have your wires which are moving from one road to the other, that is your electric wires, which are of your metal wires, you can say the thread of metal. So the birds sit on them, but they don't see the people sitting on them. It will be funny if the people will be found sitting on the wires and on the branches. Don't you children? Yes. Think, said the robin. फिर से हमारे दो जो birds हैं जो बात कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे से, they are telling each other कि सोच के देखो. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Aren't people funny? और उनको वो लोग जो उनके जैसा काम नहीं करते हैं, उनके जैसे उनके feathers नहीं है, wings नहीं है, wires पे नहीं बैठते हैं, beetle भी नहीं खाते हैं, तो वो सारे people birds के लिए funny लग रहे हैं. Means they are finding people around them walking funny. So it is a very nice poem. I enjoyed this poem. Let's see the exercise. The exercise for us is also very short and sweet. It will, even you will be able to give the answers of these exercise children. So here we are having, first we will go through these vocabulary. See away, the first vocabulary in front of us is beetles. Here it's your insects, and it is your black color insects, and it is your part of speech noun. You have the next vocabulary, feathers. Its part of speech is noun. Soft, light part covering a bird's body. So it's very, feathers जो आप पंख वो बोलते हैं ना, पर बोलते हैं आप हिंदी में. ओके, सो देर आर डिफरेंट कलर्स ऑफ feathers around us. If you happen to go in the zoo where you have your birds, you can see many colorful feathers fallen on the ground, and you can collect them and keep in your books. Even I used to enjoy in my childhood collecting feathers, colorful feathers. Yes, funny. What is the meaning of funny? It's your adjective. Yes, it's amusing. Then you have the next vocabulary for you, it's your garden, a piece of land where flowers and trees are grown. Then you have your jay, a bird of the crow family. Robin, it's your small brown European bird. Think, think is your verb to have an opinion about something. आप किसी के बारे में कुछ सोचते हैं. Yes, wings, your wings is a part of the bird's, part of the body of a bird. Yes, used for flying. They use the wings to fly, you know it, even fairies have wings. Wires, metal in the form of thin threads. So, here we go with our a little more of the poem. Answer the following questions. 1. Name the poet of the poem. We have read it, it is Eileen Fisher. You are going to write over here. Hope you have understood this. I am going to give you this. Eileen Fisher. What is the name of the poet? Eileen Fisher. It's Eileen Fisher. Yes, the foreigners, they have such names. You have to understand their names. Even they find little bit hard to remember the Indian people names. I mean, even we find it hard to remember the names of foreigners. Yes, name of 2 birds that you have seen. आप अपने हिसाब से कौन कौन से birds आपने देखे हैं आज तक, उनके हिसाब से दे सकते हैं. I'll give you few of mine which I have seen, and then I have even they were there once when I was small. I had bought them. It's your very lovable birds they are, and so their names are also love birds. They are very small and their beaks are like parrots, and they come in colorful, like rainbow colors also are there, love birds. Yes, then you have your, you can give one more name, love birds, and you can have your sparrow, then you have your many more birds. So, I will give only one, the other one you will give, you know more than your teacher. Yes, what 2 things do people not do? कि poem के हिसाब से, according to the poem, what the 2 things the people they don't do and the birds do. So, the people, they don't eat beetles. Do they eat? No, it's yucky, na? People do not eat insects, I will write, or beetle, whatever you want to write, insects. And they do not sit, people, the next thing what they don't do and the birds do, people do not sit on wires or branches also you can write. Yes, children. What is the 4th question? Where were the 2 birds sitting one day? ये 2 birds जो थे कहाँ पर बैठे थे? They were sitting in the garden. Okay, the 2 birds, you will write this way, the 2 birds, you have to keep a very beautiful handwriting, children. 2 birds were sitting, and hope children you have bought your textbooks so that you can learn more by reading your lesson again and again. Sitting in the garden. They were sitting in the garden. Yes, 5. You have to just tick mark. There are 4 options given for you. No, just 3. According to you, when would people look the funniest? आपके हिसाब से funniest कब लगेंगे हम लोग जो हैं, the people, the human beings, according to the birds you can say, or according to the poet. If they grew feather, feathers तो थोड़ा beauty बढ़ा देगा. When we have a play in our school, we put feathers when we become some bird in your some competitions or fancy dress competition. B, if they sit on wires and see if they ate beetle. I feel this is more funny. If they sit on wires, don't it? Yeah. So children, if you find yourself sitting on a wire or branch of trees, small branches of trees, you may fall. Wires also, the wires will hang deep down near the land. Okay. So here we go with your next. You have, do you think people also find birds funny? यानी कि आपके हिसाब से आप जो आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, आप जब बर्ड्स को देखते हैं, व्हेन यू सी योर बर्ड्स अराउंड, डू यू फाइंड देम फनी? No, according to my point of view or teacher's point of view, I find them beautiful. And why? Because they are so colorful, and when they chirp, their voice, the noise they make, the chirping sound they make, it's very beautiful. It fills the whole environment with background music, and which is very melodious. Okay, so children, you can write over here your choice. I'll leave it to you. You may find it funny. So, if you find it funny, you will have to give the reason. If you find they are not funny, they are beautiful, you have to give the reason. So, this is, I am leaving it up to you. Go to the 7th question. Give 2 more rhyming words for each on your own. So, A is wings, one is given things, and the other one you can go for clings, and you have your bings. Okay, children, they have the meaning behind it. Clings, you can give the you have the meaning that when the birds, they sit tightly holding with their hands on some wires or on the branches. So, we call them, they are clinged to the branch. Okay. B, J, day, here we have may and hey. It is very easy. Rhyming words are always easy and interesting. Yes. Find out what is the color of Jay and Robin. As I explained to you in my poem, Jay has the color of in some cases I have seen the garden in Mumbai. I have seen this Jay. It's either dark, Jay is either very dark black or grayish black. So, dark black, like very charcoal color, dark black or grey. Okay, children. And what is the color of robin? It is given to you in your vocabulary area box. Robin is brown in color. It is again a small bird, brown. So, hope you have enjoyed this poem and your exercise solving also. Now, this you are going to do it, you are going to draw a bird and color it, and if you have the name of the bird which you have drawn, name it also. Okay, children, and hope you will be writing your these notes and sending me soon on the WhatsApp. Till then, children, keep reading and just learn these poems which is coming in your textbooks by heart. It will help you to improve your English by learning the poems also by heart. You will improve your English, children. So, children, happy learning. Goodbye.